This is how I created a CGI character in my scene for this cool sci-fi VFX short film. Prove it.
Communication without ego.
First I wrote a quick script to the film of both my lines and the robot's lines. Then I went out with my camera and found a nice spot in the Orchard Gardens in Kuala Lumpur. Then I filmed my clean plate, just an empty frame where my robot was going to go. Then I captured the reverse shot of me performing my lines. I actually wanted a wider shot, but I was so sweaty from the heat I cropped it out. And then I helped onto 11 Labs, which is an AI audio software, and generated a voice for the robot.
More beautiful than most humans dare to imagine.
I had the voice for the robot, but I still didn't know what he looked like, so I went to CG Trader and found a free GLTF model of this cool looking fella. I then put the audio and the clean plate on the timeline in After Effects, and it was a drag and drop job for the robot, so I could just scale and position him and move him around until I got an angle I liked. I made the clean plate clip 3D too and re-angled it so it matched the robot's stance, and pushed it back far enough in the Z-axis so it made a subtle parallax effect. Keyframing the robot's position and rotation axis, I scrubbed through and animated a subtle bob effect, a bit like an idle NPC from a video game. I added a new camera, pre-composed my robot model for the visor effects. I keyframed a sliding motion with the 3D camera with the position to give momentum to the scene. I added a hue and saturation and a curves to just better blend the model with the clean plate. Then added a point light and environment light to give the illusion he was operating in the same space as the garden. I changed the renderer to classic 3D and the camera depth of field to 0.4 for that lovely bokeh. I wanted the robot to have more life, so I duplicated the pre-comp, masked around the blue visor strip and tracked the mask, and then added a glow, then keyframed the glow's opacity to fade according to when the robot spoke. For the second shot, when I cut back to the robot, I actually just rebuilt the scene with the same techniques in a second composition, but used an 80mm camera in After Effects for a tighter, more intimate feeling at a lower angle instead of a slide. I exported the two shots, cut them both together with my clips in DaVinci, and then voila, we have the scene. If you found this breakdown helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.
A world where creativity is the main currency. I believe your kind would call it a utopia.